Hello graduates, congratulations on completing your degree with Western Governors University. In this video, I will be showing you how to record your individual video clip to recognize you during the conferral of degrees. Along with this video, WGU has sent you a video guidelines and requirements document. Also is a link where you can upload your video when finished. When you're ready to record, make sure to choose a background that is clutter-free and use a solid background if possible. For best results, have someone help you record or use a tripod. Make sure you film your video in landscape, not portrait. While recording the clip, please keep your camera as still as possible. If you don't have anyone to help you and you don't have a tripod, you can always get creative. Please do not use any filters while filming your video clip. When recording, make sure your file is no longer than 10 seconds. 4 to 5 seconds will be used in the virtual commencement. This is an example of how your name and degree will be displayed during the conferral of degrees. No audio will be used from your clip. Make sure you are in the center of your frame and your hat is at the top of your frame with enough headspace to not chop off your hat. Only the graduate is permitted in the graduate video clip. For graduates who purchased regalia, proudly wear your WGU official graduate regalia in your individual video clip. When placing your master's hood, make sure it is right side up and not bunched. The black fabric should fall across your shoulders. The center string from your hood will wrap around the button in your gown. Fully zip your gown to complete the look. Make sure the elastic band of your cap is not across your forehead. Your cap should be flat on your head and level to the ground. For graduates who are unable to purchase regalia, please wear professional attire rather than casual clothing. And remember to avoid noisy patterns and wear more solid colors. In order for us to use your video clip during the commencement, please read the video guidelines in the tutorial document. Once you have your video clip on your phone, please open the email from WGU. Follow the link to the Dropbox upload page. Once you are on the Dropbox upload page, please select your video file, then fill out your name and email address. If you are already logged in to a Dropbox account, make sure it is under the correct name. If it is not the name you want to upload your video under, please log out of Dropbox. Once you are logged out, go back to the email and click on the upload link again. The option to enter your name will appear on the upload page. Once you have the correct file selected and your name is correct, please click Upload. Thank you, graduates. We are excited to have you be a part of our virtual commencement.